He is the great poet of our Telangana, Dasharathi. I want to recite some of his lines. ఊగవోయిన కోటి తమ్ములగలాల పాట పలికించి కవితాజవమ్ము గూర్చి నా కలానికి బలమిచ్చి నడిపినట్టి నా తెలంగాణ కోటి రతనాల వీణా నా తెలంగాణ కోటి రతనాల వీణా. జోహార్ తెలంగాణ మన వీరులకు, జోహార్ తెలంగాణ మన వీరులకు.
జై తెలంగాణ, జై తెలంగాణ.
Good morning again. Let us start the program with a welcoming speech. I would like to invite Safiya Madam to demonstrate a welcome speech.
మనకు రాదు.
Good morning, esteemed guests, distinguished delegates, respected teachers, and all participants. I hearty warm welcome to each one of you to this prestigious regional contribution hosted at CCRT Delhi. It is an honor and a privilege to stand before you today at CCRT Delhi. I extend my warmest greetings to all of you who have travelled from across the nation to join us for this momentous occasion. Telangana is a land of resilience, innovation and unity, a state born out of struggle and sacrifice, yet one that has rapidly emerged as a beacon of progress and opportunity. With its thriving economy, world-class infrastructure and a per capital income 1.8 times higher than the national average, Telangana stands as a testament to what vision and determination can achieve. Our state is not just a hub of technology and industry, but also a cradle of cultural diversity where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations. From the architectural grandeur of Golconda Fort to the bustling innovation hubs of Hyderabad, Telangana welcomes you to experience its unique blend of history and modernity. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite Praveen sir to demonstrate about Telangana formation and history. Please welcome Praveen sir.
జై తెలంగాణ,
జై తెలంగాణ,
జై తెలంగాణ,
జై తెలంగాణ.
Good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about the story of Telangana and its struggle. The journey to the formation of Telangana was not easy and it wasn't quick. It was a long fight for justice, for identity and for the right to give ourselves. Telangana was originally part of the Hyderabad state, ruled by the Nizam. When India got independence, Telangana was still under Nizam rule and not a part of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's Operation Polo changed the course of history, bringing in Telangana into the Indian fold on September 17, 1948. This day known as Telangana Liberation Day. In 1956, Telangana was merged with Andhra state and combined entity was named Andhra Pradesh. Then key issues behind the Telangana movement: unequal distribution of Krishna and Godavari river water. Telangana remained underdeveloped compared to the coastal area. Lack of opportunities for locals due to dominated by the other regions. Telangana people wanted to protect their own language and traditions. In 1969, Telangana education, that is called Jai Telangana movement, led by students and employees and supported by political leaders. It was a major early protest demanding a separate state. Many people, including over 1,500 students, sacrificed their lives for the creation of Telangana state. In Telangana movement, Usmania University students participated actively and massive protests were held, including the Million March and Sakala Janula Samme. Sakala Janula Samme is calling a general strike, that is all people are do that. Finally, Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act was passed. Telangana became a symbol of regional identity, self-rule and democratic success. Telangana is the 29th state of India. It formed on June 2nd, 2014. Jai Telangana! Jai Telangana! Thank you.
I would like to invite Dilip sir to perform the Telangana freedom fighter Komuram Bhim. Welcome sir.
Komuram Bhim period was from 22nd October 1901 to 27 October 1940. Komuram Bhim was a tribal leader from Adilabad district who fight against the Asaf Jahi Rajvasa for liberation of Telangana. He was born in the forest of Adilabad in a Gond family. Komuram Bhim was born in 1901 to Chinnu and Sombai, a tribal couple in Sankepalli village of Asifabad Taluka in Old Adilabad district. Now it is known as Komuram Bhim Asifabad. When he was 15, his father was killed in an attack by forest officers. Then Komuram Bhim family migrated to Saradapur in Keramari region. Komuram Bhim fight against the Nizam's government in a guerrilla style. He made the forest his livelihood and rejected all forms of Nizam's authority, courts, laws, etc. He took up arms against the soldiers of the Nizam's Nawab. He died as a hero's death while protesting against the tax imposed on cattle herders and demanding that they have the power over their land with the famous slogan. Now I would like to invite Ramesh sir to demonstrate about Telangana physical features and symbols.
मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी आता है, so I will mix Hindi and English. Okay, I will demonstrate on physical features of Telangana. Right, Telangana located in South Central India. was formed as India's 29th state on June 2nd, 2014. हमको इंडिपेंडेंस से हमको इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं मिला, 2014 में हमको इंडिपेंडेंस मिला, June 2nd, 2014. आफ्टर बीइंग सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश से हम सेपरेटेड हो गए दिस दिन एक्स्ट्रा. द स्टेट इज ड्रेन्ड बाय 2 मेजर रिवर्स. हमारे पास 2 नदियाँ बहते हैं, उसमें मेजर है द गोदावरी. ये हमको हमारे लैंड में 79% कवर करते. एंड द अदर वन इज कृष्णा, इट कवर्स 69% ऑफ आवर लैंड, मेकिंग दीज रिवर्स vital for agriculture and water supply. The Godavari often called, गोदावरी को हम दक्षिण गंगा बोलते हम. तेलंगाना दक्षिण गंगा, this Godavari, we are totally depend on Godavari. Most of the Telangana state is totally depend on Godavari. That's why we are calling that this is a key symbol of our state. हमारे पास फॉरेस्ट भी है, वो हमारे लैंड में 18.93% कवर करते हैं. द स्टेट इज होम टू डाइवर्स वाइल्ड लाइफ. हमारे पास वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंक्चुरीज है, 2 टाइगर रिजर्व, 2 टाइगर रिजर्व्स है. नेक्स्ट मैं अब बात करता हूँ सिंबल्स पे. तेलंगाना स्टेट का सिंबल्स पे है. ये फर्स्ट है हमारा स्टेट आमलम. आमलम डिजाइन एक बार देखे तो द एम्बलम इज अ सर्कुलर रील फीचरिंग द काकतीय कला तोरणम. वो मिडिल में है, वो काकतीय डायनेस्टी का रिप्रेजेंट करता. काकतीय, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं काकतीय कला तोरणम. ये हिस्टोरिकल आर्क फ्रॉम वरंगल फोर्ट, इट इज एक्चुअली एट द सेंटर with the iconic Charminar of Hyderabad embodied within it. Okay, we have Hyderabad को सिंबल है था चारमीनार. सो हमारा एम्बलम में चारमीनार भी है. ग्रीन सर्किल है, कई को बोले तो हम ग्रीनरी को बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस देते हम लोग, उससे ग्रीनरी हमका सर्किल का कलर देखे तो ग्रीनरी है. नेक्स्ट एनिमल्स के आई विल टेल अबाउट स्टेट एनिमल. उधर देखने के मिलता डीर, स्पॉटेड डीर. हम लोग तेलुगु में बोलते जिंका. कई को बोले तो द स्पॉटेड डीर सिंबल्स द इनोसेंस एंड सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ तेलंगाना. तेलंगाना का पीपल बहुत सेंसिटिव रहते, उसलिए वो सिंबल चूज गए डीर. कई को बोले तो डीर सेंसिटिव रहता, उसलिए. विथ रेफरेंस इन द रामायण, okay, the deer represents Ramayana also, that's why we have chosen symbol of animal. Next state word Indian roller, इसको हम पाला पिट्टा बोलते हैं. The Indian roller, also called the blue jay, is considered a good omen in Hindu mythology. हम लोग दसरा में ये पक्षी को देखने के ट्राई करते. कौन लोग ये पक्षी को देखते उसको सभी पीड़ा छूट जाते. ओके, इसलिए हम लोग ये इसको चूज किया. इट इज बिलीव्ड लॉर्ड रामा spotted it before defeating Ravana, symboling victory. It is especially revered during Dasara. Okay, Rama winning before I think सा किया, that's why इसको भी हम लोग स्टेट बर्ड में चूज किया. नेक्स्ट है स्टेट ट्री. इसको हम लोग तेलुगु में बोलते जम्मी चट्टू. और दसरा का दिन हम लोग इसको लीव्स लेके सोने जैसे हम ट्रीट करते. Associated with victory in Hindu mythology, the Pandavas hid their weapons in a Jammi tree during exile and retrieved them to defeat the Kauravas. It symbols resilience and prosperity linked to the god Kubera. State flower है, इसको हम लोग तंगेडू बोलते, तंगेडू फ्लावर बोलते। हमारा स्टेट का फेस्टिवल बतकम्मा है, उसमें ये फूलों को इम्पोर्टेंस देते। यूज्ड इन बतकम्मा फेस्टिवल, tangedu flower are sacred and believed the protest marital life, the reflect Telangana cultural traditions। नेक्स्ट, हमारा स्टेट का स्पोर्ट है कबड्डी। ए ट्रेडिशनल कॉन्टैक्ट स्पोर्ट, कबड्डी रिफ्लेक्ट्स तेलंगाना रूरल एंड कल्चरल हेरिटेज, प्लेड वाइडली ड्यूरिंग विलेज फेट्स एंड फेस्टिवल्स। हमारे विलेजेस में बहुत हम स्कूल में भी वही सीखते, वो सिखाते, कबड्डी प्ले सिखाते। हमारा स्टेट का प्ले है, गेम है। हमारा स्टेट का फ्रूट होता है मैंगो। Mangoes are celebrated fruit in Telangana, tied to the state agriculture heritage and widely enjoyed in local cuisine. Okay, this is all about Telangana symbols and physical features. Thank you.
It's our Telangana culture. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Then give them a big round of applause once again. Thank you, my dear Rajesh sir, to demonstrate about Telangana historical places.
Ms. Rajesh Kumar, good morning to everyone. Golconda Fort. The fort originates as the mud fort called the Golconda Shepherd's Hill. A shepherd boy is said to have discovered an oil on the hill, promoting the Kakatiya king to build a fort there. Golconda Fort, located in the Hyderabad, has a rich historical dating back to the 12th century. Charminar was built in 1591 by the Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. It was constructed in the newly formed city of the Hyderabad to commemorate to the end of the plague that had been devastated by the religion. Warangal Fort was primarily built by the Kakatiya rulers especially starting with the king Ganpati Deva in the 13th century. Ramappa temple is as known as the Rudreshwara temple was built by Rechala Rudra, a general of the Kakatiya rulers Ganpati Deva. It was constructed in the 13th century, especially in 1213 AD. During the Kakatiya dynasty rules, the temple is located in Palampeta village, Mulugu district, Telangana. Declared by the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Warangal Fort. Warangal Fort was primarily built by the Kakatiya rulers, especially starting with the king of Ganpati Deva in the 13th century. 1000-pillar temple. As one of the earliest and finest example of the Kakatiya art and cultures and the sculptures, the 1000 pillars was the future stunning star-shaped and the triple konam, designed featuring the later Chalukyas and earlier the Kakatiya architecture style. Next, the Samakka Saralamma Jatara. The world's biggest tribal festival is the Samakka Saralamma Jatara, also known as the Medaram Jatara, held in Telangana, India. It is the tribal religious congregation that attract the millions of devotees and primarily from the Koya tribe. The festival is celebrated in honor of the tribal goddess Samakka and Saralamma. Every 2 years, millions of worshippers gather from across the India to celebrate the grand Samakka Saralamma Jatara festival in Medaram, in Mulugu district. The Samakka Saralamma area in Warangal is reported have to be built during the 12th century. Medak Church. Medak Cathedral is one of the most visited churches in the South India, which was built by the Charles Walker Fanstead of British Williams Methodist and consolidated on the 25th December 1924. It is the single largest discourse in Asia and the second largest in the world after the Vatican, located in the Medak town. Next, Yadagiri Gutta Temple. It is known as the Telangana Tirupati. Yadagiri Gutta, a new old temple on the hill, was the first built in the 13th century, served as a place of worship of the devotees of the Lord Vishnu. Vemlavada Sri Rajarajeshwari Temple is one of the most famous Hindu temples in the Telangana. Historically, the region was the capital of the Vemlavada Chalukyas, who ruled from 750 to 973 E. Srita Rama Chandraswamy Temple, Bhadrachalam, is the Hindu temple dedicated to the Rama, a prominent avatar of God of Vishnu. Rashtrapati Nilayam, formerly known as the Residence House, is the official winter retreat of the President of the India, located in Hyderabad, Telangana. The President stays here for at least 2 weeks during their winter visit and conduct the official businesses. It is located in Bollaram in the Hyderabad. It was constructed in the 1860 by Nizam Nazir ul Wala. It became a country house of the British resident at the Secunderabad. After the Hyderabad state's integrations into the Indian Union in the 1948, it becomes a president retreat and use the southern zone. And next we have the waterfalls also in the Telangana. First is Kuntala Falls and Pocharam Falls and Bogata Falls and Bhumini Padam waterfalls. Thank you.
तो अब हमने हमारे तेलंगाना कल्चर को कोलाटम के ज़रिए आपको परिचय किया था। तो फिर एक गजल की तरफ चले। हाँ, तो अब हम विजय सर को मंच पर बुलाते हैं। वो हमारे तेलंगाना के मेन सिटी हैदराबाद के बारे में एक गजल के रूप में आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
मल्लेश मस्तान भाई भाई एक में तो पियरी रानी चाय। मल्लेश मस्तान भाई भाई एक में तो पियरी रानी चाय। तेलंगाना को हसीना है, तेलंगाना को हसीना है, हैदराबाद एक हसीना है। हैदराबाद हैदराबाद प्यारा प्यारा हैदराबाद। हैदराबाद हैदराबाद शहर हमारा हैदराबाद। So, do you understand this, right? Yeah, Mallesh is Mallesh belongs to Hindu and Mastan belongs to Muslim. So they follow different religion, but in our Hyderabad, Hyderabad, they share the one way to come across. This simple gesture, this simple
రాజేష్ సార్ పీపీటీ
shows our
ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తారా? నేను ఆడ నిలబడి ఆడ చెప్తా. నేను ప్లే జస్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లిక్ చేయండి పీపీటీ.
very great.
నేను మధ్యలో పోయి చెప్తాను. దానా రాజేష్ నాదే ఇప్పుడు పీపీటీ రెడీ చేయిపోయిగా.
పోతరాజులా
అంతే కరెక్ట్. కానీ గాడి పోదాం అనుకుంటున్నా, ఈడ జస్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ వస్తామని అంటున్నా అంతే అన్నాను. అంతే నెక్స్ట్ వస్తుంది.
हैदराबाद हैदराबाद प्यारा प्यारा हैदराबाद। हैदराबाद हैदराबाद शहर हमारा हैदराबाद। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर। तेलंगाना कल्चर हो गया और एक गजल हो गया, तो अब खाने पीने की बात करें। यस ना, let me welcome invite Ramesh sir to demonstrate about Telangana festivals.
Good morning to all. Festivals of Telangana. Telangana is rich in culture and traditions. Festivals are an integral part of life. They reflect unity, diversity, and regional pride. See, you can see all the festivals. Next. My Telangana state festival, Bathukamma. Bathukamma festival celebrated by women during Navaratri. Flower arrangements in a temple-like form. Women sing folk songs and dance around Bathukamma. Bathukamma symbolizes the culture spirit of Telangana. You can see next we will perform the Bathukamma song. Next another state festival, Bonalu. You can see Bonalu festival and different dresses we can wear on Bonalu festival. Bonalu festival dedicated to goddess Mahakali, celebrated in July, August. Women carry pots with offerings on their heads, famous in Hyderabad and Sikindrabad. Next, Sammakka Saralamma Jatara, held every 2 years in Medaram. Well, tribal festival it is. It is Asia's largest festival. It's honoring two warrior goddess, largest tribal gathering also here in this festival. In this festival represents courage, sacrifice and tribal heritage. Next, Nagula Chavati. Nagula Chavati, worship of snakes mainly by women. Workers offer Deepavali devotees after milk to snake holes and hills, symbols of fertility and protection. Next, Pirla Pandaga. It is Muharram time. We can celebrate this Pirla Pandaga. Pirla Pandaga celebrated by both Hindus and Muslims. Processions with decorated release alams promotes communal harmony celebrated during Muharram. Next, other major festivals also we can celebrate like Deepavali, festivals of lights, Sankranti, harvest festival, Ramzan celebrated by the Muslims community, Christmas celebrated with joy across the state, and Holi, color of festival, importance of festivals. Festivals strengthen community bonds, protect and promote Telangana culture, encourage traditional and music and dance, boost local economy like handicrafts, flowers, food, etc. A nation's culture resides in the hearts, in the state of its people. Thank you all. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Do you all like flowers? Okay. Now we are going to the flower garden. There is only one festival all over the world which is celebrated and worshipped with flowers. ये एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल है हमारे तेलंगाना में फ्लावर को पूजा जाता है जिसे बतकम्मा कहते हैं. इसे हर ईयर में मनाया जाता है. इसके 9 डेज इसे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. चलो अब हम उन्हें वेलकम करते हैं. which is written by C. Narayana Reddy. He is the Gnanapith Award winner.
Happy Guru Purnima to everyone. Vishwambara. Vishwambara is a 1980 Telugu language philosophical long poem by C. Narayana Reddy garu. It is written in free verse and was an outcome of Narayana Reddy's meditation on the meaning and mystery of human existence. It deals with the theme of universal brotherhood and the quest of man for the meaning of life and of the nature of the universe. Vishwambara received wide critical acclaim and it is also part of MA degree syllabi in some universities. In 1988, Narayana Reddy won India's highest literary award, Gnanapith Award, for the book. He became the second Telugu writer to receive Gnanapith Award through this work. The book also won the Soviet Land Nehru Award in 1982. It has been translated into several Indian languages. Amarendra translated into English in 1986. Bhimsen Nirmal translated into Hindi as a Vishwambara. The Hindi translation won the Sahitya Akademi Translation Award in 1991. Vishwambara in article 1 stanza. నేను పుట్టక ముందే నెత్తి మీద నీలితెర కాళ్ళ కింద ధూళిపొర. నేను పుట్టక ముందే నెత్తి మీద నీలితెర కాళ్ళ కింద ధూళిపొర. ఆ తెరకు అద్దిన అద్దాల బిళ్ళల్లో మినుగురులు కనురెప్పలు మిటకరించాయి. చిచ్చు ముద్దల్లోంచి చిమ్ముకొచ్చిన పచ్చి వెలుగులు పాల మీగడల్లా పరుచుకున్నాయి. ఆవిరిలో ఆ నీలితెర అంటుకున్నప్పుడు అద్దిన బిళ్ళలు చిట్లిపడ్డాయి. ధూళి పొరలో పొడిచిన విత్తుల పొత్తి కడుపుల్లో చెట్లు నెత్తురు పోసుకున్నాయి. కాలు విరిగి నేల మీద పడ్డ మబ్బులు మళ్ళీ కాళ్ళను మొలిపించుకున్నాయి. ఈ పొరలో జడమౌనం ఒళ్ళు విరుచుకున్నప్పుడు రెక్కలు డెక్కలు మోరలు కోరలు దిక్కుల డొక్కల్లో తీండ్రించాయి. నేను పుట్టక ముందు ఎంతగా మబ్బులు ఎదురు చూశాయో చూపుల సోపానాలపై సాగి వచ్చి తమను పిండుకునే ఆ తపన ఏదని. ఎంతగా నక్షత్రాలు నిరీక్షించాయో గణిత సూత్రాలతో తమ గతుల్ని. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Dilip sir to perform art and culture speech.
A blend of Dravidian, Deccan and Indo-Islamic influence of historical dynasties, Shatavahana, Kakatiya, Qutub Shahi and Nizams. Telangana, it is the Charminar located in Hyderabad. The Charminar is beautiful mosque in Hyderabad. It was constructed 1591 AD. Is the center of excellence in Hyderabad. And Perini dance is the Shiva Tandavam. It called Perini Tandavam. It is the traditional dance of गोंडी जाति. ये तो हमारा तेलंगाना में बहुत फेमस डांस है, गोंडी डांस. It is a tribal dance, and Banjara dance also. It is the folk dance. Our traditional Pochampalli sarees and Nirmal ties, it made by Ponike wood. These are our famous dishes. It is the Chakinalu, Garyalu. It is the snacks. Our famous leaders are P.V. Narasimha and Chandra Bose and freedom fighter Kaloji Narayan Rao. Thank you very much.